Good morning, everybody. Jonathan here. I'm just going to make myself a quick cup of coffee, if that's okay, before we get started. You know, we love using this Keurig machine, but these little pods are kind of wasteful, really. But wait, what if we could do something with them in the garden? I got it. So these pods are pretty neat. You can take the foil here and just peel it off the top. And I like to go ahead and dump the coffee grinds into the compost pile. Very handy. Dump them on in there. That'll help us out with our nitrogen. It's really good for the compost. And it's free. Alright, I stopped by the greenhouse here to get me some of my Pro Mix and a small pack of extra flowers that we had. These are nasturtiums. Alright, I'm just going to give that pot a little rinse out. They have a built-in filter inside, which isn't a problem and actually will help them drain really nicely. And the Keurig maker puts a small hole in the bottom for drainage. Pretty convenient. Here's our little setup all ready to go for planting some flower seeds. Alright, I'm going to take my little cup there and just fill it up with the moistened potting mix. I'm going to push down a little bit just to help with it be nice and tight together. And then just fill it on up. And I'll put me a little hole in there to put the seed in. Pretty easy. Up next, I'll take one of the seeds. With nasturtiums, some people like to take the seed and actually kind of scrape it with a nail file, I guess, to aid in germination. But since it's February, I'm not in a super huge rush, so we'll just put the little seed on down there and keep it well watered and nice and warm. Cover him up real good. Alright, we'll give it some water. I went ahead and took a red pen and just labeled it. That way I won't forget what's in there. And we'll give it some nice water. Drip, 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 drip. Alright, we'll put it out on the windowsill. And I'm going to see if I can get any kids to help me. Say hello to the camera. Hey, okay, cool. So yeah, just grab you a cup, whichever one you'd like, and just scoop you up some soil. Yeah. Good job. Yep. And you can make your little hole down in there, just a little shallow hole.
You do it.
Okay. It's kind of like, well, we can push it on down a little bit and we'll put some more in there. Or I'll let you do it. Put your little mirror in there. And then, when you're done planting your flowers, grab you an all-natural strawberry pop, sit down with your 3 wonderful kids and your wife, and watch Paddington Bear.